What's happening, everyone? This is mainly for anyone that needs or has a window shaker or even a central unit that compressor's old, getting tight, doesn't want to start the best, or it has high start current, trips the breaker a lot. This is how to add an easy hard start kit. So this is, a little 5,000 BTU unit. I don't know if you see the horsepower on this little AJ here. I bet you it's half horse at best. So this kit, this is what I get from my local supply house. Half to 10 horse, easy peasy. Boom. That's how easy it is. Common to the capacitor, hermetic to the compressor. So this one's tight, there's no room in here. As you can see, the white wire right there, power in, so that's common. Boom, there's one side, start cap, and you can see where the other gold terminal is on the other side. That's it, easy as pie. And this is one of those with the built-in hot relay or hot disc. It works fine, it's a window shaker. Sure, there's an actual potential relay. Come on, these needs to get used at best 3 months out of the year, maybe 4. And they're not running that hard. They're not like a central unit where they got much higher inrush amps and bigger compressors. And yes, that's frankly is sitting on my bed in my bedroom because I didn't feel like dragging this damn thing back down to my garage just to do this. And the reason for that is I didn't have this issue on my fetters with the weather wheel that I did the TXV on. It always restarted without a problem. This one and the air conditioner guys, Philco, will not restart even if it sits for a good, in my case, it could be 10-15 minutes. It will not bleed off enough pressure. It has to sit overnight. So that's the whole reasoning behind that. Let's see here. So yeah, if anyone's curious. But yes, this only can be installed on units with a run capacitor for the compressor. Say you got a mini fridge that is like, I forget if it's shaded pole or whatnot. One of the ones where they got the little, even smaller compressor that has no run cap or start cap. It's just line voltage. They make kits for that as well. So if anyone needed to know that, I got a few that I keep on hand. Alright, see ya. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna see if I can somehow merge these two videos together of me putting a start cap in this and the video of, it installed. So back in, which actually, I don't know if anyone really messed with these before, but kind of like a well built. You can actually take it all the way out. See the coil, blows the air up, left, right, and so on and so forth. So really simple, on off, baby. So it did seem like the compressor might have had a little more snap to it. Fortunately, the rear grill has a few broken pieces, and that's what the rattling is. Because see if it goes away after some time. See, it's about 79 degrees in here and 85 already. I was like, wow, it's getting warm. Put that back down here. Sitting up there, the sun actually heats it up warmer than it is for inside. Oh man, it's pretty strong too still for its age. And this arguably is one of the coldest coils I've ever felt when it's running. Granted, it's not helping that right about here is low airflow. So what I'm thinking is I might take a piece of screening, come around the sides, so you still breathe, but try and force a little extra air in the middle of that, because it'll freeze up a little bit around here, but all around here will be fine. Since it doesn't use a centrifugal or blower wheel, it uses a propeller. Let's see. So yeah, it's already cold as could be. Sweating already. So, since this thing's on a second story, I'll post some pictures, or I mean, I'll do another video. It's kind of hard. You really can't hear it. It's so quiet outside. And being that it's like a story, I can't get to the darn thing. So, alright, everyone, it's a quick one, but just wanted to show it. See ya.